I have found that building a solar system is a lot like building a ham shack. You're never quite done and always upgrading. And that's where I found myself. If you've seen this video, I was successful in running air conditioning using my solar system, but I did find that I needed more power. And going into this winter, I thought about trying heating, which would definitely require more power. So I contacted Signature Solar and got this EG4 inverter from them. This is a hybrid inverter that does have an AC input, which will allow it to charge the batteries off the grid on days where we have heavy cloud cover. This will allow 5 kilowatts and 500 volt DC from the solar panels. All right, so let's take a look at what's in the box. So the first thing is the battery cables that it comes with. Which these are nice cables that has the ends crimped for the connection. They also provide a circuit breaker with a rail. And of course the user manual, which is a legitimate user manual. It looks very detailed. And then your communication cables. Let's see what we got there. Ethernet cable, a USB, a serial to Ethernet, and then a Ethernet to USB. And then it also comes with the wireless router connection. This dongle is what's supposed to give you Wi-Fi with the antenna that screws on. And then the inverter itself. Packaged very nicely. That is definitely yellow. All right, so let's open up some panels and take a look at it. All right, so we'll take these 2 screws out, one on each side. And the panel just lifts off. Then we can see the connections. But you know me, we're going to open this up and look inside it. They put a sticker right over the screw. They don't want you opening it, but we're going to open this up. I want you to be able to see what's inside of it and how it's made. I'm sure Signature Solar will warranty it for me. Boy, they did use the glue. All right, now we'll get a camera down in here for you to see. This could be a little hard with this piece of plastic, because looking inside the EG4, it does use quality components. Boy, that thing is just covered in glue. And although there is a lot of glue, the construction is nice. There's quality terminals to wire it up. And it looks like a unit that should last a long time. So with 5 kilowatt, 500 volt DC in from the solar panels, I can greatly increase the number of solar panels on my system. And with the hybrid, the 80 amp charger could use a generator or AC grid to charge the batteries on days where there's cloudiness. So I partnered with Signature Solar for this inverter. And to be open and honest, I didn't get this for free, but they did give me a discount on it. And if you use the link in the description below, I get a little bit of money from that. That helps me keep this channel going. So make sure to subscribe and like the video, And let's see if we can get me up to 6,000 subscribers soon. Thanks for watching. Cloudiness. Cloudiness. I stumble with some words.